and we are put it into the big machine because that glue must be worked when the 70 temperature. Okay. Oh, and this machine is a full automatic assembly machine for some special camera. Okay, but our this camera must be manual. Okay, we go to the next room. Okay, this room is for the focus adjustment. Yeah, we test focus here. It's very important for the definition of the image. Every work do the same work. Here we do some